In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted transactions in QuickBooks Online. If you've ever deleted a transaction by mistake, don't worry. QuickBooks Online keeps a complete history of activity, and you can use that to bring back what you need. While there isn't a one-click undelete button, the audit log shows every detail required so you can accurately recreate the transaction. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and signing in. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the top right corner of the screen for the settings icon. It appears as a small gear. On smaller screens, it may be tucked into a condensed header, so if you don't see it immediately, widen your browser or scroll slightly. Click the settings icon to open a menu. From here, select Audit Log. This is the central place where QuickBooks tracks who did what and when. If you don't see Audit Log, you may need higher permissions. An admin user can grant access. Inside the audit log, you'll see a timeline of activity. To quickly focus on what was removed, open the Events filter. Choose Deleted/Voided Transactions. This narrows the list to entries that were taken out or voided, including invoices, bills, expenses, checks, journal entries, and more. If you know roughly when the deletion happened, adjust the date range to speed things up. Then apply the filter to refresh your results. Now scan the list for the transaction you want. When you find it, click View on the right. This opens a detailed history panel that shows the original transaction and what changed. You'll typically see the transaction type, date, customer or vendor, account, amounts, line items, memo, and tax details. These are exactly the fields you'll use to rebuild the transaction in QuickBooks. Take a moment to review carefully. If you need to preserve the information, consider opening the View window in a new tab, taking a screenshot, or printing the detail page. Pay special attention to the posting accounts and the transaction date so your reports and reconciliations remain accurate. If the transaction was voided rather than deleted, the original still exists with a zero amount. The details in View will clarify that. Once you've reviewed the information and captured what you need, you're ready to re-enter the transaction in QuickBooks using those details. After you recreate it, revisit your bank reconciliations or outstanding balances to confirm everything lines up. That's it. You went to QuickBooks, opened Settings, navigated to the audit log, filtered by deleted or voided transactions, and used View to access every detail required to restore what was removed.